Hello everyone, I am Pranav Bisen from CSCG. Today I am going to talk about binary search in C. So let's get started. So we will see when it is used. When searching arrays require sorted data. For sorted data it is used. And now we will see the difference between linear or binaries and binary search. Linear time complexity is order of n and works on unsorted arrays. Binary search time complexity is order of log n requires sorted arrays. Sorting requirement binary search assumes arrays sorted in non-decreasing order, otherwise results undefined. When binary search applies, used for large static sorted datasets or many queries after one sort. Now, binary search in C halving the search spaces, like we'll see how it works. So first initialize bounds, set low equals to 0 and high equals to n minus 1 to define the search interval. Compute mid equals to low plus high minus low divided by 2 to avoid integer overflow. Compare if a mid equals to x, return mid. If a mid is less than x, set low equals to mid plus 1, else set high equals to mid minus 1. Repeat or finish loop until low is greater than high. If not found, return minus 1. Now we will compare the time complexities and more specifically worst cases and space. So linear search worst case time complexity is order of n. For binary search, it is two types. For iterative, it is order of log n. For recursive, it is also order of log n. But what different is it? Like space complexity for iterative is order of one, and for recursive binary search, space complexity is order of log n. Now, iterative binary search in C, we will see what are the different uh, conventions used. First one, function signature. Int binary search function name, that's int array. Inside that, int n, int x returns index or minus 1 if not found. Key variables int low equals to 0, comma high equals to n minus 1. Mid, compute mid equals to low plus high minus low divided by 2. Loop mechanics, while low is less than or equals to high. Compare array of mid with x. Update low or high. Return convention. Return index when match found. Return minus 1 to signal not found. Now recursive binary search in C, we will see what are the conventions used. Function signature. In that int binary search rec, it is just a function name. We will just call it as binary search recursion. Int inside that int array, int low, int high, int x. Base cases if low is greater than high, return minus 1. If array of mid equals to x, return mid. Recursive steps search left if x is less than array of mid, search right if x is greater than array of mid. Return handling propagate found index up recursion, otherwise return minus 1. And these are the binary search edge cases. First one are duplicates, like we generally tend to occur in our code. Not found convention, integer overflow, empty array. Avoid off by one errors in binary search. Is inclusive bounds, exclusive upper bounds, typical mistakes. We can see here what is that, and debug tips. It is there. We can see. And now variants and practical uses of binary search where it is used. Uh, First one we will see it is used in sorted arrays and indexes. Binary search on answers for optimizing problems. It is used for scheduling event timelines and range queries. Now it is just testing, benchmarking, and next steps to master binary search. How we can learn it quickly. So that's all for this topic. Thank you.